There are 3.1 billion DNA base pairs in the human genome and 37 trillion cells in your body. So if you had to type the human genome on an A4 page in font size 12, Times New Roman, printed double-sided, the stack of papers would be 40 meters tall, and the DNA from your body, typed out in this way, would require a stack of paper 10,000 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. This gives you a picture of the kind of data that we work with, except for the fact that the pine genome is 7 times larger than the human genome. To work with datasets this large require massive computing power. Therefore, lots of this gives you lots of this. I am Nanette Christie. At a young age, my dream was to become an actuary, but I soon realized that my passion was not in finances, but to study something more tangible. I love data, solving problems, and making a difference. I completed my postgraduate studies in Bioinformatics, which is a combination of biology, computer science, and statistics. Currently, I'm working on the genetics of forest trees as a postdoctoral researcher in the Forest Molecular Genetics program at the University of Pretoria. Did you know that before you were born, it was possible to predict certain traits from a tiny DNA sample? For example, from your DNA, it is now possible to predict whether you are athletic, whether caffeine keeps you awake, or whether you have the ability to match a musical pitch. Similarly, we, working in the forestry industry, would like to predict the traits of a forest tree based on a DNA sample. This will enable tree breeders to make better crosses and then to select the best individuals without having to wait 10 or more years for a tree to become mature. Examples of traits that we study are pest and disease resistance, drought tolerance, and wood quality. There is tremendous pressure to optimize the limited resources at our disposal, to combat climate change, and to be environmentally responsible. It is a privilege to be part of the solution.